When you're driving on the track, the first lap will be driven by the instructor just to show you what the layout of the track is like. And
We are getting the instructions for this drive. The taste of the pit lane. यहाँ से the cars line up and then they go. That is how where they start. This is the first gen Octavia. Look at that. This is the older Octavia that you know. That over there is the new Octavia. Now we're waiting to shoot the car static गाड़ी ताकि थोड़ा सा कुछ अच्छा कंटेंट निकाल सके. एवरीबडी वेट्स हियर इन अ लाइन कि कब हमारा टर्न है. ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे लिए गाड़ी रेडी होती है. कोई भी इवेंट में ऐसा नहीं होता है. अपेरेंटली दैट कार इज़ गोइंग ऑन द ट्रैक क्योंकि बाकी सारे ट्रैक कार्स के व्हील्स आ चुके हैं. इतना सारा घूमे एंड वी विल गो अपस्टेयर्स हैव समथिंग until the car is ready for us. This is where the briefing section is. There is buffet and here is the cap section. We can choose what stickers we want and then get them printed on the caps. हो गया मेरा वाला. It was with WRC and VRS, not this one.
Okay.
हाँ, yes. Thank you. अपना कैप ले लो.
Oh my god. Mine is
Yes.
I was no, I was not even there.
बहुत बढ़िया है तो मैं अपने भाई को दे दूँगी. We are going for a quick run and this is Aditya.
So first we'll go to this course which is set up outside.
Okay.
It has a moose test.
Okay.
It is basically a quick lane change at 70-80 km/h. The next thing is a slalom.
Right.
That is set up at about 50 km/h. It will, give you an idea how quickly the car can change direction. So
Okay.
before you go on track, you will have a decent idea on how the car handles.
Okay.
And then there is the third thing here is a small handling circuit. It just tests how it can maneuver through tight turns and this and that.
Right.
All of the high speed stuff is there. You have your belts on, man.
Yes, we have our belts on.
So please hold on because the car will move around right a bit.
Okay, we're ready.
Cool? Good
Yes.
to go?
Let's go.
So we will be in the middle lane.
Okay.
Go to the right lane and come back to the middle lane.
Okay.
And we'll be doing around 70-80 km.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh damn!
In case of an emergency, if you need the logic. तो आ गया इंडिया में चल के.
I am sure कि चढ़ा देंगे उसके ऊपर तो. ये हमें नहीं करना है ना?
ये आपको करना है.
ये भी करना है?
हाँ,
अरे
आप पे है, मतलब
ठुक जाएगी तो गाड़ी. इतनी स्पीड में तो नहीं है.
then the handling thing. This is basically a U-turn. There's that some tight roads put together. You can
Right,
say.
right.
So how easy it is to drive around the city or something like that. इधर ये first U-turn है.
अरे बाप रे.
Yeah. Then left U-turn है. फिर इधर आके hard brake करके right hander है. Go around. So that is the handling course. Been driving here since it opened up. Yeah, we go to Chennai. There's a track in Chennai. Kari. So ऐसा driving का experience तो काफी बहुत. So this event itself we are doing for 15 years or something. Such events.
Oh wow.
And now this is okay, but usually, not usually, but sometimes there'll be a Porsche Turbo S or the Audi R8 and Mustang and this. So ऐसा कर रहे हैं, सालों साल से चल रहा है.
तो फिर अब practice
Yeah, so
होगी.
now this is like second nature. कुछ मतलब आधे नींद में भी है.
I will try doing it.
Yeah,
इतना अच्छा तो नहीं होगा मुझसे.
You try to do as per your.
I'll try. I'll give it a shot.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm on the wheel. And
We slalom.
just let me know when I'm supposed to press the brake.
Yeah, don't worry.
कि ऐसा
That one thing I'll tell you. Here you don't have to press the brake
At all?
at all. So avoid the yellow cone. Yellow cone कैसे आपको direct कर रहे किस तरफ जाना है.
Okay.
Like that. And
Okay.
focus on your steering.
Okay. Usually what speed do you go at on this?
Go at 60.
Okay.
You should, if you want, you can do another run. Try 45 first. ऐसा.
Okay.
आपके comfort में चलाओ पहले. This mount really works, yeah. Does it?
It is working अभी तो.
Yeah.
I also just got it.
इसका रिव्यू नहीं आया अभी तक अच्छा सब प्रॉपर.
ये थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होता है एंगलिंग में.
But
उसके
in
अलावा it is
other just driving wise, if I want like a
हाँ,
phone,
it is
GPS
good
type
enough.
thing,
It is good enough.
no? Stays there, no? For a
Yes,
long-
yes, yes. अभी पूरा किया तो it was there.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
ठीक
let's
है.
go.
Wow, slow. Wow, yeah. Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. I swear I'm not kidding.
I've done थोड़े बहुत इवेंट्स में
हाँ.
we get to drive ऐसे
Yeah,
like
yeah,
ऑटो क्रॉस के ग्रिड्स और ऐसा सब तो वो
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा सिमिलर होता है.
So take this run slowly. We'll come back for another run if you want
Yes.
to try faster.
Yes,
तो
yes.
track अच्छे से देख लो.
Done. Now we are doing a high speed run. दर्पण कैसा लग रहा है?
मस्त.
Good. This can be done at full throttle if you want.
Okay.
Redoing the slalom. So we'll
Okay,
have to wait.
We'll
Yeah.
wait for that.
You have a channel of your own?
Yes,
Or
I
are you
do
working for
Instagram.
some-
No, no. It's majorly on Instagram.
Hmm.
YouTube, I'm still
About cars or
about cars.
Only
Auto.
cars?
And a little bit of lifestyle, but
Oh, okay.
majorly auto. Darpan, can you record this बाहर से?
ये बोर्ड्स है ना उसके पास में रह सकते हो. जो मार्शल खड़ा है देख उधर
Yes.
मैं पार्किंग में कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
So near the marshal, let's go and drop him. हाँ?
Okay, wait,
ब्रेक दबा दो.
Darpan.
Darpan, we'll drop you.
Wait, वो जो पीछे वाले सोचेंगे कि इनने क्या किया?
Yeah.
किसी ने अभी तक क्रैश किया था गाड़ी?
नहीं नहीं.
Thankfully.
Yeah, we cannot afford that because
Yeah,
the
बहुत
नहीं.
limited,
Yes.
so limited.
There are 5 cars for all of this. There's for media सब जगह भारत भर के there are 5 cars for all
Oh
of this.
no, that is.
So that is why we are.
I was here for the mini event.
Oh, yeah.
उसके
yeah.
अंदर भी we drove on the track.
हाँ.
That was my first time
Okay.
driving on the track. But इतना ज़्यादा मुझे डर लग रहा था, मुझे ऐसा ही लग रहा था कि बॉडी रोल हो जाएगा. क्योंकि usually we don't do such speed runs on such a big car.
Correct. This you won't feel much.
Xerxes पीछे हमारे.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is neat.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
एक मिनट सीट बेल्ट.
पर मैं इतना फास्ट तो मुझे नहीं करूँगी मैं ये. because
नहीं
this
नहीं,
is
it's
very-
up to you.
I don't
The
know.
thing is, rather than getting confused and some
हाँ.
random thing happening, you should be a little careful and enjoy it. ऐसा सजेस्ट करता हूँ मैं लोगों
सही
को.
बात है,
Yeah.
सही सजेशन है.
आगे हाँ ठीक है चलेगा चलेगा. Yeah. Oh नहीं right. We've come.
Oh my god.
You turn right, you turn left. ठीक है. This thing has an emergency braking. So beyond this orange वाला डाल दो. हाँ सीधा.
Now
Left.
I should not get confused.
Yeah. Now we're in the perfect distance. Now full U-turn. अभी सिंपल है, राइट टर्न है आगे. स्ट्रेट है. स्ट्रेट. उसके पहले राइट है यहाँ बोर्ड पे. यस. तो फास्टर. हाँ. What's that? हाँ ब्रेक. Hard brake. Yeah. Wonderful. Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Not bad
Yay.
at all. That was superb. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're going to have a lot of fun on track. I'm pretty
चलो
sure.
अच्छी
Yeah,
बात है
yeah.
फिर तो. अभी और 3-4 इवेंट में और अच्छा हो जाएगा.
Arey, will become a racing car driver soon. So he'll take you back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much. It was
My
a lot of
pleasure.
fun.
Yeah. more fun there.
Yes. We're done with the speed run and now we'll go directly to the track. Helmets लेने के बाद. This is Rahul and he will show us around on the track first before we try our hands on it. Oh.
Probably 10, I don't know. 2015, yeah, so 10 years. Yeah.
Oh, nice. What got you into this?
I just showed up to a race, karting race one day, and it sort of went. And somehow got dragged into all of it. That's pretty much it. But otherwise, I like cars. I've always liked cars. I've always liked racing. I always wanted to do it. And basically went and did it without telling my folks. That's how I got into it. So I have raced at BIC as well. Between 2016 and 19.
All of the instructors have raced here before,
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. All of us have some sort of racing experience. At least 4 or 5 years of experience. So I'll just let you get your helmets on and then we'll get a little more chatty.
We'll need one more. They're all the same size helmets.
No, there are mediums, so you can ask for different sizes.
So Darpan, this might be yours.
Are both of you driving?
No.
Only you are driving.
Darpan, are you driving?
No, not yet.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'll give you a quick run of the track. You'll understand the braking and the corners. At the end of the lap, I'll come in, I'll let you drive.
Okay.
And I'll guide you through your laps. And
You'll show us the top speed.
so we have a 1.2 kilometer long back straight.
Huh.
So we should hit 200, maybe if you're lucky 210. The colder it gets, the faster you go usually. Because the engine can then breathe more
Yeah,
air.
yeah.
Yeah, so
Let's go. Oh my God.
the car road. The back straight. Back straight.
157, 160. Okay, 180. 200. Oh my God. 210. That is crazy. God. Oh, damn. All of these were hard brakes. Sari ki sari.
Yeah,
So you don't have to be gentle with the brakes.
you need to stand on it.
Okay, we're done with the demo and now we'll try out ourselves. थोड़ा slower lap पहले and then do the first
Yeah,
lap.
you can, your first lap can be a sighter.
Okay.
So just get comfortable with the car, with the track.
brakes and tires will be pulled down.
Much fun.
Stop in the slow lane. So basically in racing you have, that's called the fast lane. You have the slow lane and then it's split up. One in Formula 1 used to be that this blue line used to have Allianz written on it.
Oh.
Yeah, it was just a marker banner. It was just a banner for the sponsors.
Nice. Thank you so much, Rahul.
My pleasure.
Thank you.